A group posing as Ujjwala scheme officials reportedly collected 1,500 rupees from each resident at relief camp on January 4th, assuring them of gas connections. Regrettably, despite the assurances, the promised gas connections have yet to materialize for the affected individuals. In an exclusive SKTV news interview with victims of Churachandpur's Imphal Meitei village, currently residing at the relief camp at Scheduled Caste Girls Hostel in Laimaram, Nongmaitem Sophia stressed that self-proclaimed official collected 1,500 rupees from 18 families, pledging to provide gas cylinders and stops. However, no gas connections have been facilitated as promised. The victims also contributed the same amount during the dire situation. Furthermore, she urged the concerned officials to promptly address the issue.
Family khudimagtagi 1,500 se lawgiyebako lawraga ngasi phawje akhoi gas su pirakpasu leite connection su tawrpa amta leite ba ado akhoi na hangba kanda ngasi lakani adaga hayeng lakani hangchik lakani moina date se dum extend tawraga dum laaga dum taw leireba ngasi na haujukna phone tawba kanda moise paibiraktreba asuk wana akhoi na sidagi khajik tanjaraga kaino leijaba paisa adubu moina admaina pibi ni gas akhoi jo sidadi angang chanaba thaknaba se angang ju school chatnaba ni na athu akai habado angang gidi ayuk ngata school pung tare ta chatpanina athu kai nang de badagi akhoi je gas connection do akhoi yam paman badagi numitu da moina mi gi kem su loin tawbane akhoi gi noi gi sina aroi bane lai je mi atopa su loin tawbani na noi su tawsilo na haibada akhoi ja hamada di khana lor matung ja akhoi connection je tawra se phare tawra je har kan akhoi je connection je tawngai da makta family khudima ki 1,500 se tawraga minung sigi matung ina akhoi je awana taba mafam dai ni ko haraga khanbi raga kitang paisa do or so hantok pigera gas stove do pibigera adu asuk yam kuina kayan tawrak pasigi matung ina de akhoi gas stove kuma do amta pamcha de akhoi di paisa do sumna te akhoi gi idan na tanjaga pugi ba paisa lupa 1,500 do adu tang hanbiyon.
Meanwhile, Nongmaitem Sophia highlighted the necessity for fair treatment of all the victims, irrespective of all their relief camps, as she pointed out the disparities in daily wage distribution, with some camps receiving 80 rupees, while others received 100 or 105 rupees. She urged the state government to address these discrepancies and provide clarity on the varying amounts allocated. She highlighted the plight of victims in the Scheduled Caste Girls Hostel Relief Camp who only received food assistance, questioning the rationale behind these discrepancies. Despite victims' efforts to generate income through product making like detergent, incense sticks or dishwashing products, they face challenges due to the lack of proper marketing channels. She further appealed to the authorities to fulfill the government's promise of compensating victims with 50,000 rupees promptly, emphasizing the urgency for victims to rebuild their lives. Additionally, she highlighted that out of 133 victims in the relief camp, provisions were made for only 80 individuals due to biometric data collection by the district commissioner. As a result, the remaining victims did not receive their monthly allocation of 1,000 rupees. The victims requested the DC to collect biometric data for the remaining individuals. However, the DC deferred this action until after the election period.
Khoi relief camp jida leide je khoi 133 lay adu hanagi matamda akhoi je 105 khak lairambane anova register tawraga haju 133 yaujabane ba adumangda khoi 105 leiba matamda khoi gi relief camp ji oina sarkar na biometric namhanba kanda khoi gi numitu da ngasi piraga nunganbagi pung 11 da khoi je pigadabane ba piba matamda kai haigani akhoi gi mi je camp da leihogdaba magi masagi anabai damakta operation gi damakta hospital da lai krem ne ma do biometric number nang haudra bani na sarkar gi site gi cheng pirakpa adagi sarkar gi de ngasi phau da khoi 3000 li phangare adu 3000 phangbu su moi phangde am ta biometric nam haudda bagi sarkar na moi na pirak ta bani na akhoi na su pi ba ngamtre paisa do moi di exact lak sa bani na cheng da su nga moi gi pirak tu rai zo akhoi je gyan ta de ba du bu chamina da badi ya da bani na akhoi pulap chamina re chamina bu do akhoi tam hena le pasida mi 80 khaki piraga karamai na akhoi adjust tawgodoina ba si je ado akhoi haida ba na te ba moi da thanda ka khalak yaw akhoi je lan chelak ta bi da a chura champut da pulap siram aju phadauni ko sumai lei du sharuina ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯇꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ